All right, the next example, 7R, page 238. So, we're going to look here. We're going to use a scale drawing to find the area. So here it tells us art class is planning to paint a mural on an outside wall. This figure is a scale drawing of the wall. What's the area of the actual wall? So we need area of the wall. That's important. So we first go to our scale. That's right here. We're dealing with inches and feet. So we're going to write that in. Inches to feet. And our scale is 2 inches for every 3 feet. So now we need to replace these numbers here. So 2 inches is 3 feet. So let's do this top one. Instead of 2 inches, we want 28 inches. How many feet is that? So cross multiply and divide. Actually, we'll do cross multiplication on the next one. Here we can see, actually no, we'll do cross multiplication here as well. So when we cross multiply, 28 times 3, you can go to the side, 28 times 3. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 2 is 8. 3 times 28 is 84 equals, now we need to cross multiply the 2 and the x. 2 times x is 2x. 84 equals 2x. This is our equation. We will divide by 2. 84 divided by 2. 2 goes into 8 4 times. 2 times 4 is 8 minus, and you get 0. Bring down the 4. 2 goes into 4 twice. 2 times 2 is 4, and those cancel. So, when we solve this, x will equal 42. So we'll come back up here. 28 inches is actually 42 feet. So we're not quite done yet, because that's just that actual length. Now we need to find this actual length. And if we go back, our original scale was 2/3 equals 28 over x. You might not know this, but since it's even, this will go evenly, and you could have multiplied by 14. When you multiply by 14 on the top, multiply by 14 on the bottom, and you would have gotten 3 times 14, which is 42. Let's look at the next one. The next length. We have 2 inches for every 3 feet, and I'm going to rewrite this in inches and feet. We don't have 2 inches, we have 11 inches. So 11 inches is how many feet in this situation? So we will cross multiply. 3 times 11 is 33 equals, bring the equals straight down, 2 times x is 2x. Once we've cross multiplied and we have our equation, now we get the x by itself. So cross multiply, then we will divide. Again, go to the side, 33 divided by 2. 2 goes into 3 one time. 2 times 1 is 2. Minus and get 1. Bring down the 3. 2 goes into 13 6 times. 2 times 6 is 12. Minus get 1. We're going to make this a decimal. Once you have your decimal, you can add however many zeros you want. Just bring it straight down. 2 goes into 10 5 times, and those will cancel. So x equals 16.5. So 11 inches will actually be 16.5 feet. We're still not done. Even though we have the actual length and the actual width, we have to go back to our problem. What is the area? To find area, we need to do area equals length times width. We have our formula. Let's substitute in what is our length. 42 times our width, which is 16.5. 42 times 16.5. You can go to the side and do that. So 16.5 times 42. Two times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is, or carry the 1. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 1 is 13. Carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Bring down a 0. 4 times 5 is 20. We can get rid of those. 4 times 6 is 24. Plus these 2 is 26. Carry the 2. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 2 is 6. When you add those, you get 0, 3, 9, 3 plus 6 is 9, and 6. But then we need to bring the decimal over one time. So we get 693, and it would be square feet. Let's double check. 693 square feet is the correct answer. So we're done with this problem. The area of the actual wall is 693 square feet.